Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve sum number 13 of partnership final account. Here the sum is, as we can see here, sum number 13, chapter 2, financial statement of partnership firm, question number 13, which is given on page number 82 and 83. This is our sum. Harsha and Chaya are partners of a partnership firm. From the following information, prepare final accounts. This is trial balance of partnership firm of Harsha and Chaya as on 31/3/2017, and then after 5 adjustments. One by one we will take items and record accordingly. First of all, we need to prepare here as usual trading account, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, and partners current account, and then after a balance sheet. So here it is. This is revised trading account of partnership firm of Harsha and Chaya for the year ending on 31/3/2017. It is what? Revised trading account, because trading account is already given in trial balance, as we can see. Here it is, trading account. So instead of preparing trading account, we will be making revised trading account. Then after it is profit and loss account of partnership firm of Harsha and Chaya for the year ending 31/3/2017. Then here it is profit and loss appropriation account of partnership firm of Harsha and Chaya. Then comes partners current account, and then after the balance sheet. We will take trial balance first of all and record the items accordingly. Let us start with the credit balances of trial balance. Here the first item is capital Harsha and Chaya, 20,000 and 30,000 respectively. As in the sum we are making current account, so their capitals are going to remain fixed. We can directly record them in balance sheet. Here it is. Balance sheet, capital liability side, capital accounts Harsha and Chaya, 20,000, 30,000, outer column 50,000. Next item is current account of Chaya, 4,000. That is a credit balance, so it will go in current account. Here it is partners current account by balance brought forward in the column of Chaya 4,000, in the column of Harsha dash, because Harsha doesn't have credit balance. Next item is interest on drawing. Normally we are given with the percentage in adjustment about interest on drawing, but here they have already given us some amount of interest on drawing. So this will have just one effect, and that is at the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Let us see. Interest on drawing Harsha 100, Chaya 50. So profit and loss appropriation account, here interest on drawings credit side Harsha 100, Chaya 50. I have written it in inner column. As we have some adjustment on it, we will consider it later on. The next item is loan of Harsha. Harsha is a partner. Partner's loan is considered as long-term liability, so it will be recorded in balance sheet at liability side under non-current liability. Here it is balance sheet, non-current liability, loan of Harsha 10,000. Then is rent. Rent is given 12,000. It is an income, will be credited to profit and loss account. So here it is in profit and loss account, credit side by rent 12,000. Next item is creditors. How much? 5,000. So creditor is a non-current liability, balance sheet liability side under non-current liability. In balance sheet liability side, creditors how much? 5,000. Next item is trading account. As we have already discussed that trading account, we are making revised trading account. So this trading accounts balance will be written in revised trading account. So revised trading account, as it is a credit balance here, will be recorded at the credit side by trading account as per trial balance 24,700. Then is bank balance. How much it is? It is 5450. Bank balance 5450. As it is a credit balance, it is bank overdraft. So will be recorded under current liability in balance sheet. Current liability in balance sheet. Here it is bank overdraft under the head of current liability 5450. Then comes the next item, which is interest on current account of Harsha. Again, normally we are given with the percentage in adjustment, but here interest on loan is directly given in trial balance. So it will, right now it will have one effect only, and that will be in profit and loss appropriation account. Now as it is a credit balance, that is one kind of income to the firm, that will be recorded at the credit side of partners, credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. So here it is interest on current account of Harsha rupees 100. Next item is suspense account. Suspense account, it is having credit balance, so we will write liability side. Liability side suspense account 300, inner column. So here we have finished with the credit items. Now the items of debit side. The first item is drawings. Harsha 5,000, Chaya 10,000. As we very well know, drawings are debited to partner's current account. So here it is drawings, debit side of partner's current account, two drawings 5,000, 10,000. Next item is after drawing current account of Harsha. Earlier we have seen the credit balance of Chaya's current account. Here Harsha's current account is having debit balance of 6,000. So in current account debit side, two balance brought forward in the column of Harsha 6,000. Then next item is machinery. Machinery is 40,000. So we very well know non-current asset. So here in balance sheet, non-current asset, what? Machinery, inner column 40,000. We have adjustment on this, so I have written it in inner column. Next item is interest on loan. Now we have finished with the credit side already. There was a loan of Harsha 10,000, right? Its interest is given rupees 200 here, right? Interest on loan, as it is an expense, financial expense, will be recorded in profit and loss account under financial expense. To interest on loan 200. Next item is salary, monthly 1,000. So salary monthly 1,000, total amount is given 13,000. We will be writing as an administrative expense, profit and loss account, to salary 13,000, right? Next item, salary of Chaya. Salary of Chaya normally we get in adjustment, here we are getting in trial balance. It will have one effect right now, that too in profit and loss appropriation debit side. So profit and loss appropriation account debit side, salary of Chaya 5500, profit and loss appropriation account. Next item is debtors. So we very well know where to record. Debtors are current assets. So under the head of current assets in the balance sheet, debtors 15,000. Next item, receivable and rent. So that is also what? A current asset. Receivable income, receivable rent is a current asset. So asset side, receivable rent 2,000. Next item is bad debts. We very well know where to record bad debts. Debit side of profit and loss account. So here it is under other expenses and losses to bad debts 1300, where in profit and loss account debit side. The next item, stock of goods. Stock of goods as on 31/3/2017, that is what? On the closing date. So it is a closing stock, will be recorded asset side in balance sheet. Balance sheet asset side under current asset, stock rupees 10,000. Next item is insurance premium rupees 2,000. Something is there inside, that is a hidden adjustment. We will do it later on. So 2,000 insurance premium will be written here at the debit side of profit and loss account, rupees 2,000 insurance premium. So we have finished with the trial balance. Next video we will be seeing the effects of adjustment and hidden adjustment.